Nag-lunch ka na?
Hindi pa, Miss Sarah.
Join us! Meron daw bagong place niya sa kabilang building.
Oo nga, manlilibre daw si Miss Sarah. Halika na, Romy. Sorry guys pero working lunch ako ngayon eh.
Nagmamadali ka ba ma-promote?
Actually, yes.
Oh! Yung puso ko open for promotion.
Ha? Ano yun?
Sabi ko, take care. Pero na, moms, gutom lang yan. Let's go. Bye!
Sir, pasoy na muna ako.
Ano na lang palagay sa menu ko?
Sige po.
Thank you. Tara na. Madali na eh.
At 2 p.m. is your meeting with Finance and Risk Committee. At 5 p.m. naman po is with Committee on Good Governance. Tapos 7:30 p.m. naman po is your dinner with your family.
Parang wala yun sa calendar ko.
Sorry po, boss, pero tumawag po sa akin si Madam Carlota kahapon. Nakikiusap po talaga siya eh.
Second,
Boss?
you and your sisters, were you always like that? Were you just really close to each other?
Opo. Lalo na po nung namatay na po yung mama namin. Siguro, gusto lang po namin punan yung nawala sa amin. Kaso minsan, nagiging overprotective lang po yung mga ate ko sa akin. Pero okay lang po.
What's going on?
Boss, nag-yes na po yung speaker natin for DX.
So that means complete na tayo for the event?
Yes, check na po lahat ng boxes. Yes.
Well, that's good. So why don't you take the rest of the day off and reward yourself?
Eh, boss, paano po kayo?
Lovey, pwede ba kahit magsalad muna ako?
No. Sabay-sabay tayong kakain. You're still wearing that?
Dahil nasa bahay lang tayo.
Masyado ka na kampante.